Hello everyone. In this video we will see words and their meaning in Hindi. Beautiful, sundar, lovely, pyara, cute is also pyara, handsome, handsome, akarshak, attractive, akarshak, pretty, sundar, stunning, adbhut, afraid, darna, ahead it means आगे, almost it means लगभग, already पहले से, although हालांकि, एंग्जाइटी, चिंता, अप्रिसिएट, सराहना, आर्ग्यू, बहस करना, आर्ग्यूमेंट, तर्क. So there's a difference between argue and argument. Arrival, आगमन, artificial, कृत्रिम, natural, प्राकृतिक, bloom, खिलना, borrow, उधार लेना, copy, नकल करना, catch, पकड़ना, crowd, भीड़. And the last one is command. Command means आदेश देना. Apart from this, if you want to know any other words and their meanings, please put it in comment box. Thanks for watching the video.